Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to loop a video in CapCut, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to repeat any video clip as many times as you want, whether you're working on a music video, a social media post, or just want to create a mesmerizing loop for fun. Let's jump right in and get started. First up, let's open CapCut. If you haven't used CapCut before, don't worry. It's a super user-friendly video editor that's totally free. So, go ahead and find the CapCut icon on your computer or phone and open it up. You should see the main welcome screen with a few options for starting a project. Now, we want to click on Create New. This tells CapCut we're ready to start a fresh project and make something from scratch. You'll notice that this is usually the big button front and center, making it easy to spot. Once you're in, the next step is to select a blank canvas. What does that mean? Well, CapCut gives you a few different templates to choose from, but for looping a video, starting with a blank canvas is perfect. You're not restricted by any preset layouts, and you've got plenty of space to work. Just tap or click on blank canvas, and CapCut will open up a clean project workspace for you. Up next, it's time to bring in your video. So, select a video sample to work with. You can either import your own clip from your phone, computer, or camera roll, or just grab one from CapCut's stock footage if you're practicing. If you're new to importing, just look for the plus sign or an import button and pick the clip you want. This is the foundation for your loop, so make sure it's the right one. Short, repeating clips work best for smooth loops. Now, let's get our clip onto the timeline. The timeline is basically where all the magic happens in video editing. It's like a big digital workspace where you arrange, trim, and stack your clips. To add your sample video, simply drag it into the timeline area. If you're on mobile, you might just tap the thumbnail to send it to the timeline. It's really straightforward. You'll see your video as a row in the timeline, ready to work with. Once your video is sitting there, here comes the looping part. You need to copy your video clip and then paste it right after the first one on the timeline. You can usually do this by right-clicking on the clip and choosing Copy, then moving the playhead to the end of your clip and right-clicking again to select Paste. Or, if you love keyboard shortcuts, just press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste on PC. If you're using CapCut on your phone, look for the duplicate or copy icon. This might take a few moments to get the hang of, but don't worry if you're not sure. The more you try, the easier it gets. By pasting your video multiple times, you're creating a loop. The video will now play back-to-back, seamlessly repeating itself. If you want your video to loop longer, just keep pasting as many copies as you need. Think of it like stacking building blocks. The more you add, the longer your loop becomes. And if you make a mistake or copy too many, you can always undo or simply delete the extra clips. Once you're happy with the length of the loop, you're all set. Play back your timeline to watch your video repeat smoothly. And if it doesn't quite line up perfectly, maybe try trimming a frame here or there for a seamless transition. That's it. Looping a video in CapCut is just that straightforward. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you've got any questions or want more tricks like this. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy editing.